Today we have this 1958 Remington Travel-Riter vintage portable typewriter made in Holland. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. So I have to straighten that out. The margins are right behind the carriage here. And you just push them down and move them. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Line space gets you back to the beginning and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single space, but if you want double, you can just flip this switch to 2. There's a 1 and a 2 marker there, and it'll skip 2 when you hit that line space. We're going to keep it on single for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. It's got a unique symbol. It's got the division symbol on this. I don't think I was typing. Yeah, you could see it right there. And the other symbol is, when you do a capital, is the degree symbol, I believe. It's like a circle. You could tell that this one is made different than the Remington's made in the USA. Just feels a little different, but still works good. Much better than anything that you buy brand new these days. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch towards you. Unlocks the rollers underneath applied and allowing you to pull the paper out easy with no thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you push it back when you're done, because it won't load the paper correctly when that's in the forward position. It's got a backspace on the top left here. Works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear it, you just hit the shift button again. Open the hood. You got the spools. All the brand new ribbon is on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch that direction, you push that to the right and it'll pull to the left. So it's the opposite. When you want it to pull to the right, you push that to the left. And that works good. Carriage release behind each knob, and it has a locking mechanism. Right now it's locked into place. To clear that, you just flip this little switch here up and it'll unlock the carriage. That's your carriage release on the right side. It works good. And this lever will disable the spacing mechanism. So you flip it forward again and you get each click is a little space, and you flip it back, it doesn't have that. That's what that does. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.